Hey folks, how's it going? My name's Jorie and I am super excited to show y'all how to make DIY sugar wax. You'll only need 3 ingredients: sugar, water, and lemon juice. This is all the rage right now because it's saving people a trip to the grocery store. It's organic, natural, inexpensive, and I'll tell you a secret, it hurts a lot less than regular wax. So follow along and I'll show you a step-by-step guide on how to make your DIY sugar wax. All right, folks, I've moved over to my kitchen and I'm gonna get started on this easy to make sugar wax. I have my ingredients measured out here. So I'm gonna go in with 2 cups of regular white sugar into my medium-sized pot. I'm gonna go in with 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and then also 1/4 cup of water. Next, I'm gonna put this on high heat until it starts to bubble up. All right, y'all, as you can see, my mixture has gotten nice and bubbly and frothy, so I'm gonna turn this down to medium heat and stir constantly with a wooden spoon until the color turns golden brown. It should take about 5 to 10 minutes. All right, y'all, so I've been stirring for about 8 minutes on medium heat, and it's finally reached this really nice golden brown kind of color. So the next step after that is to simply remove it from the heat completely and let it cool until it's thicker and manageable enough to put on your skin to use. All right, y'all, so I wanted to check back in and show you how the wax is cooled down. It is still warm, but it's cool enough for me to work with and use, and it has reached a full-on wax consistency. So you can see it has toughened up quite a bit, but it's still elastic enough for me to use. So I'm gonna give this a go and show you guys how it works. All right, y'all, the big moment's here. So I did just pull off a piece of the wax and roll it up into a ball like this. It is very easy to work with. And some people like to go in with a spatula or a spoon or a knife and spread it on their skin that way. I prefer not to dirty up any more dishes. So I'm just gonna go in with my fingers and spread it across my skin. So I am gonna do my arm just because I have a little more hair there, and I think it'll be able to show you guys more of how this stuff works. So here we go. You're gonna spread it across your skin like so, and you can kind of see it does spread pretty nicely. Okay. And then just kind of let it sit there for just a few seconds until it hardens up. You're gonna wanna leave one end kind of pulled up like that, so that way you can have something to hold on to when you wanna pull it off. You do wanna go against the way your hair grows. It just works better that way. So once you feel like it's hardened up enough to go ahead and pull off your hair, you're gonna give it a go. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Okay, nice. As you can see, that got off a lot of my hair, and I'll show you guys here. You can see a lot of my hair is stuck to the wax. So this works really well. I'm gonna follow this up with before and after pictures so you guys can see a little bit better, because I know sometimes the video doesn't show it as well. Thanks so much for watching. Let us know if you like this video and how this DIY sugar wax works for you. We'll see y'all soon.